I am the student of class 8A of Navjeevan Adarsh Public School. Today my teacher gave me a class activity in which I am going to explain a topic called active and passive. So let's get started. So, definition of active is when the subject of the sentence performs the action, we call it active. And the definition of passive, when the subject of the sentence receives the action of the verb instead of programming it, it's called passive. Present tense. First we go to the simple present. You can see that there is an example, he plays football. So we will change it into the passive voice. So the formula of this is object plus is am, are plus verb की third form plus by plus subject. So this is the formula. For instance, we will write he plays football. He plays. So this is our example, and as I have written the formula of it on the board, so I will write football, because this is the object, so it will come on the first, football, as I have written, plus is MR, football is plus verb की third form. So there is a verb play. So the third form of plays is play. So we will add play. Football is played plus by subject he. The subject of the object of the he is him. So we will write him. So that's how we converted this sentence into passive voice. Football is played by him. And the next topic of ours is continuous. For example, there is a example, he is playing football. So the formula of this is object plus is MR. In present, as we all know that we add is MR, but we will also add being because it's continuous. When we have to convert it into the present continuous, so we will surely add the being in it, whether it's past or present. And after that, this is the verb third form. It's necessary to add verb third forms when we are converting a sentence into a passive voice. After that, we will add by. It is also necessary to add by when we are converting it into passive voice. And after that, we will add, as we do, subject. For example, that I have, he is playing football. He is playing football because it's continuous, so it is MR plus ing. Football. We will keep this formula in our minds so that it will be easy for us to convert. Football is being played by him. It's very easy to convert into passive voice if we know all the rules. It's also easy to learn those rules, but we don't have to if we learn only the verbs that are being used in the sentences. If there is an example, I eat fruit. So how can we change it into passive voice?
First we will add the third form. I eat fruits. Fruits are eaten by me.
He is correct. Fruits are eaten